The Torah reveals the nature of the world and the nature of man. So if we see on the second verse of creation, it says that the earth became formless, which is purposeless, and void, upahu, which is fruitless, and darkness, hatred, bitterness, revenge, malicious intent, was all over the face of the deep. The face of the deep is the heart of man. So it's saying that as in the days of Noah, the earth was lawless. The earth was full of lawlessness. The Apostle Paul said that the love of many will grow cold. So in these last days, that's what's happening. People are not content with what they have. And so there's always this lust and this desire for more and to be idolized and worshipped. That is the spirit of the Antichrist that is already in the world. I term it as narcissism. Anyway, my own walk with God is also revealed, and for everyone this should be quite plain to see in their own lives where they are in terms of their walk with God in the creation. So it says on the fourth day of creation, let there be lights in the firmament of heaven. So where I am right now, it says He made the greater light to rule the day, the lesser light to rule the night, and He made the stars also. The stars are the princesses, Kukabim, princess. So this is where I am right now, that God Himself has made these lesser lights, the princes and princesses. And then what's the next step? Where 10 atam Elohim barakia shamiyim leor al haaretz. So God is placing us in the firmament of the heavens, up where people can see, to shine light down onto the earth.